My Lord Justice Ashok Bhushan's judgment would start from paragraph 229. My lords, I have para 229 minutes. 229 minutes. Yes, sir. My lord, this judgment is for himself and for Justice Abdul Nazir, my lords. The questions which are framed are in para 237 minutes. There are three separate judgments which are delivered, my lords. One is by my lord Justice Ravindra Bhatt, one by Justice Nageshwar Rao, and one by Justice Ashok Bhushan. My lord, may just come to para 237, where the questions are framed. The first three questions are relevant, my lord, for this case. It is, my lord, whether the, my lords have 237, whether the judgment in Indira Sarojini versus Union of India needs to be referred to larger bench or require a relook by the larger bench in the light of subsequent constitutional amendment judgments and change social dynamics of the society, etc. Second, whether Maharashtra state reservation of seats for admission in educational institutions in the state and appointments in public services and posts under the state for socially and educationally backward classes, SEBC Act 2018 as amended in 2019, granting 12% and 13% reservation for Maratha community in addition to 50% social reservation is covered by exceptional circumstances as contemplated by the Constitution Bench in Indira Sahni case. Third is whether the state government on the strength of Maratha State Backward Class Commission report chaired by MC Gaikwad has made 12, it should be made out a case of existence of extraordinary situation, exceptional circumstances in the state to fall within the exception carved out in the judgment in Indira Sahni case. Now, my lord, with reference to this, my lord may just come to the judgment which is delivered by Justice Ravindra Bhatt at page 62, where it is said that there is a concurring opinion of all the judges on questions 1, 2 and 3. Page 62 minutes. My Lord Justice Ravindra Bhatt's judgment starts. My Lord may have para 8 at page 64. Para 7 again spells out those questions notes. Then para 8, my lord, it says, I have the benefit of reading the draft judgment of Ashok Bhushan J, which has exhaustively dealt with each point. I am in agreement with his draft and the conclusions in respect of points 1, 2 and 3. So it says, I am in agreement with the draft and the conclusions in respect of point 1, 2 and 3. In addition to the reasons in the draft of the judgment of Ashok Bhushan J, I am also giving my separate reasons in respect of point 1. I am, however, not in agreement with the reasons and conclusions recorded in respect of points 4 and 5, for which, my lord, reasons have been given separately. So, on point 1, 2 and 3, the judgment by my lord Justice Ravindra Bhatt and Justice Nageshwar Rao and Hemant Gupta, my lord, the judgment being Ravindra Bhatt and Hemant Gupta delivering a common judgment, Justice Nageshwar Rao concurring with that, and they then concur with the judgment given by Justice Ashok Bhushan